Hello everyone, welcome to part 6 and now we have to do this from here to here. Before starting, I would like to thank you for subscriptions. The family is growing. Up to now we are near 200, and to me is a very good result. Thank you very much to you all. For the one who are not subscribed, I remember, please subscribe so you will have more videos and I hope fun. By now we start the work. We carry on. We have to do the steering rods and so on. So let's find the pieces. One and two. I need two. This is quite good. Okay, don't screw these screws too tight. This has to be free. We have done this, and then this is a little sponge here. Perhaps we have to cut a little bit about this. Here inside. Radio. This is my wonderful Nobel radio, ESC, receiver and servo. Battery. This is charger. I have already made the binding, for this receiver. So we have to connect the battery. One. To connect the receiver, channel 2. Okay. Then the servo, channel 1. And engine. This is a not sensored engine, so you can plug this into this not with a special order. So 1, 2, 3. I have followed this order. Switch on the radio first. Welcome to Noble. And then switch on the ESC. I have already made the selection. Subaru Impreza. And now we try. The engine works. It seems not so. Come on. Here it is all 100%. I have to check because about this switch off we have a lot of specification, and this is in order to program the AC. I found that I need something. So by now, until I have this special electronic controller, we leave it here. I'm not very satisfied. It sounds not so speed. Servo. No. No. This is broken. Look at this. Nothing. This is a pity because I have no servos by now. I have to order them, so I have to quit by now. Wait for a new servo. Off one.
Signal lost. Shutting down.
Bye bye. Waiting to receive the servo and the programming card for the ESC. I think that we can do something different from the instructions. So I want to mount, you see all these pieces. This is up to the servo, the movement of the steering. Let's start. You have to pay attention because if this screw is too tight, the ball here, the uni ball here inside, will squeeze and stops and blocks the movement. So be careful. Also here is very important. Keep on going. This over this. No, well, we can put this too, I think. By which side? This side. This is right. Absolutely free. Okay, and this is made. Now we can mount the wheels. And for wheels mounting, we have a little upgrade. What is it? This one. I don't want to buy the original Tamiya pieces, and so I have cut the sponge in a good shape, and this is the result inside the tire. You can see, eccolo qua. Here it is. So we have a sort of foam. Okay, here we are. Now wheels. There is no front or rear or direction, so the best way is to put the wheel at 90 degrees into the tire, then turn. It's very easy. By now I don't glue them. I don't use glue. I will not use this car so much. So if I see that the wheel spins into the tire, then I will glue it with in 4 points just. But I don't think that I will do. If you use the car continuously, it's better to glue it with instant glue. Now we can mount the wheels on the car. I can't use this. I hope I don't have to use this. This means that the rear wheels have to stay wider, but Tamiya doesn't give you the right hubs. So by now we mount with this one. Then very nice. Now we can mount the battery holder. This is one. A little modification. These holes, okay, 1 and 2, because I want to have these clips joined to this part with a little cord. At the end, this is one. Very practical. Let's do the other one. And this is two. You mount on the car like this. Useful. I recommend you to do the same. For today, I think it's enough. We have to wait for the servos, and then we mount all the electronics, ESC and so on. So, thank you very much for viewing. I remember you please subscribe. I have told you so many times that I'm afraid to have bored you about this. And what can I say? Thank you to you all. Bye.